Millmoor Stadium, the former home of Rotherham United FC. Now well underway on being demolished, the floodlights have gone, the main stand is all but gone, the bits where the seats were have totally gone, the roof is 3/4 gone and the inside is being ripped out. Redevelopment work was started on this stand, however work ceased, and in November 2007 the club confirmed that it had no intentions to complete this stand or modernise any part of the stadium, due to the difficulty in reaching a deal to purchase the land surrounding Millmoor from the previous chairman. This dispute later led to Rotherham United moving away from the stadium. It was never finished. The dugout covers just left in the box, the net still left on the goalpost, and the famous CFB Limited sign and clock left there. The main stand of Millmoor, here you can see it in its entirety. The bits left on the pitch that once fielded some incredible players, Kevin Keegan, Alan Shearer, to name a few. Millmoor is being slowly resigned to history, to people's memories, to photos, to video clips. Join us as we continue documenting the demolition of Millmoor Stadium. Let us know in the comments your memories of Millmoor, where you were sat, when you first went, who your favourite players were. And if you like this, join us as we continue to document it, and consider subscribing to UK Drones.